To add DisBridge to your Unity project, you would do it through the VR Chat Creator Companion. You would go to vpm.udonvr.com and you would hit the Add to VCC button, or you would hit the Copy button. We're going to do it through the Copy button, just in case the Add to VCC button doesn't work. So we're going to copy the URL here. We're going to go into our Creator Companion. And we're going to hit Packages, Add Repository, and then we're going to add the repository into here. This then should pop up with a little page. This is what would pop up if you use the Add to VCC button. You would hit I understand, Add to Repository, and you would check mark Show Pre-Release Packages down here. From here, you can then go into your projects. You can open up any of your projects with Manage Projects. And you would add DisBridge just by hitting the plus on the side here. And that's it. If you want to change your version, you can do so here, but using the latest is always recommended.